Hello once again, this is Yas. So we are now on the fourth part of my oDesk tutorial. So below the overview, you will find the responsiveness. Well, this responsiveness is a score wherein oDesk tries to find out how quick you are in responding on clients' um, invitations. So, of course, because you have not yet tried working online or you haven't really received an invitation from a client, your responsiveness score is zero or nothing. So, the below the my public profile, you will find a video, the video option. Actually, this is not really an SOP. I mean, you can add a video or you can just skip that part. So, on my part, I honestly have not yet created a video yet. So, but I will try to make one of these days on my oDesk account. But for this account, let me just leave that one to you. And of course, on your video, here are some helpful tips. You have to keep the video short, less than a minute. Describe your skills and experience. Okay, of course, you do not have to, you are not allowed to upload someone else's video, and everything must be original. Okay. So for the languages, English, conversational, options are basic, conversational, fluent. Okay, let's just click fluent. Or if you are a native, let's say you're an American, an Australian, you're from Europe, and if English is your first language, then you can choose native. Okay, so just click save. Okay, sorry, internet connection is still slow because I am uploading the previous part of my oDesk tutorial. So for the categories, here you can choose all the categories you are interested in. Let's say you are a web designer, then you click web design, web programming, and so on and so forth. As you can see, there are a lot of options that you may be able to choose, and these options basically have um, job offers available throughout oDesk. So since we are aiming for article writing tasks, then let us focus on the writing and translation part category. So let's choose copywriting, others, writing and translation, creative writing. You can also go through the administrative support, which has very easy tasks such as data entry, personal assistant, web research. Okay, sorry, there's a limit. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oh, there's a limit. You will only be allowed to choose 10 categories. Okay, so just save the categories. Linked account. If you want to link your Facebook account, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, then you can choose it here. For the skills, so let me just remove this one first so that you will have an idea how this one works. Okay, so add. Okay, so just have to type your skill, article writing. When you type the particular skill, your particular skill, there will be a drop down option. Okay, so let's choose article writing, save and add more. Let's add more. Article submission, if you know how to submit articles on WordPress, zine articles, Squido, and so on and so forth. So save. So after providing all the skills you have to um, place a previous employment. I mean, for you have to provide oDesk a company you previously worked on. However, if you haven't really worked on a company before, then you can just leave this part blank. For education, okay, so mention the school you have attended and the course you were able to finish, so that the client will have an idea about what your real skills are. For portfolio projects, okay, so for example, you are a graphic designer, then you can provide some photos of your previous work so that clients may be able to see how well you do a task, or how well you design a picture, and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically those are the things you need to work on your profile. So you really have to be very careful on providing information on your profile so that um, you will have the chance to get a job. I mean, you have to really impress your client by building your profile and providing her or him the areas you really are good at, so that in the end that client will say, "Oh yes, you are certainly perfect for the task I need to be done. The task that is needed to be done ASAP." Okay, so that's the fourth part of my tutorial. I will be tackling about um, the tests on my next tutorial. So, goodbye and have a great day ahead.